Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I am Complete the Set, and this week we got the Sword and Shield figure collection. It took me way too long to buy this box, but I had to get it because this Pikachu promo is amazing. I can't wait to take a better look at it. But you also get the Sobble, Grookey, and Scorbunny minifigure up there. It comes with 2 Rebel Clash packs, a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, and a Cosmic Eclipse pack. Those 2 I'm not too excited about, but I had to have that promo. But let's get this open up. I'm also opening a couple of the 3-pack blisters to get a few more packs into the video so it's not too short for you guys. But without further ado, let's open these up and get into the packs. Okay, now that we got our packs all open, we can take a better look at these promos. So I don't know if you guys were able to see when I was opening the box. Well, first off, this promo card is amazing. This Pikachu promo card with all the Galar region starters, Sobble, Grookey, and Scorbunny is amazing. A lot of people were mentioning that they don't really like these yellow borders, that they are similar to like the character cards in Cosmic Eclipse, but I don't really mind it too much. Like I said, I love this promo. I had to have it, that's why I bought the box. But if you can see, it's not warped at all. It's very nice. No, not bent at all. And I don't know why the Pokemon Company doesn't do it for all of their boxes, but the way that they were sitting in, they didn't have where are they at? These little ridges that the cards sit in that end up bending the cards, like these promo cards. So I'm not sure why they don't do it for all of their boxes that have promo cards in them, but oh well, I guess we just have to live with it. But here are the promo cards from the 3-pack blisters as well. This is the first time that I'm opening those on the channel, so you guys haven't had to take a look at them yet. But we have a Duraludon and then a Rayquaza. Nice looking promos. Promo number Sword and Shield 29 on Rayquaza, and then 28 on Duraludon. And then this one is actually promo card number 20, which is interesting because the 3-pack blisters came out before the figure collection, if I recall correctly. But I have all the packs separated as well, so these were in the figure collection box, and then the 3-pack blisters here. I'm gonna first get into the Guardians Rising and the Cosmic Eclipse packs, only because, like I said, I'm not too excited for those, just because I'm not trying to complete the sets on these ones. But let's get into the first one. First one's going to be Cosmic Eclipse. That opened really easy. I didn't even try opening it. That's interesting. Alright, it should be slide. Oh, it was not slide. but this is a white and green card, so maybe something good. That's another thing that a lot of people complain about, is that the code cards are facing in different directions. And some people don't want the pack spoiled for them, but oh well, I suppose. Okay, this first pack starts with a Dark type energy, Belelba and Bryson Man, Draw energy, Cosmium, Nosepass, Snorunt, Rockruff, Deerling, Teddiursa. Ooh, nice. So we have one of those character cards that I was mentioning with the Pikachu promo card. So Excadrill character card and a Excadrill holographic. That's pretty funny. So these character cards are technically secret rares. As you can see, it's 246 out of 236. Nice. I actually really like these character cards. I kind of regret not collecting Cosmic Eclipse, but it was just such a huge set, and I was already trying to complete other sets, so that is why. But yeah. Okay, next pack, Guardians Rising. Let's see what this pack has in store for us. Let's see if this one's a slide off. Hey, it is. Nice. So I got that code card correct. Alright, so this one's going to start with a Fighting type energy, Sliggoo, Fletchinder, Weepinbell, Alolan Vulpix, Beldum, Petilil, Fletching, Alolan Geodude, Talonflame Reverse, and a Golisopod holographic. Nice. So I mean, the two cards, or the two packs that I weren't too excited for, at least they weren't regular rares, so that's nice. Okay, now let's get into these Rebel Clash packs, what we really want to see the pulls for. Okay, we got a Psychic type energy, Nugget, Tranquil, Horror energy, Roly-Coly, Applin, Hatenna, Magikarp, Meditite, Meditite Reverse, and a Scizor, regular rare. Scizor, however you like to pronounce it. I realize I didn't put the other reverses in the right spot, but it's okay. I'll just grab them later. Alright, last pack out of the figure collection box, and then we'll get into the packs from the 3-pack blisters. Hopefully we can get something good out of this pack here. Alright. We have a Steel type energy, Pokeball, Lampent, Hawlucha, Pidove, Galarian Darumaka, Hatenna, Scyther, Nosepass, Palpitoad Reverse. Let's just say not so great. Okay, no worries. We still got 6 packs to go. I just noticed I didn't really show off the figure too much. But we got a really cute Scorbunny, Grookey, Sobble figure. Just set that right there while I try to figure out where to put them. But let's get into this next pack. We start off with a Psychic type energy, Doublade, Capture Energy, Charjabug, Barboach, Squavit, Applin, Tympole, Trubbish, Magmortar Reverse, and a Whiscash regular rare. And again, I just realized I didn't grab the reverse energy, or the reverse slot. Okay, now we're good. All right, next pack here. There's that code card for you. We have a Fire type energy, Lampent, Hawlucha, Morgrem, Vulpix, Milcery, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Meowth, Caterpie, Galarian Sirfetch'd Reverse, and a Garbodor regular rare. So that's... Oh no, I still have one more pack from the 3-pack blister. I was going to say, I was like, that's 3 back-to-back regular rares in that 3-pack blister. I'm upset, but we got one more. So hopefully it can redeem itself. Also, I meant to bring this up earlier, but it seemed like a lot of you guys enjoyed my last Hidden Fates opening. I am trying to find Hidden Fates. I know Real Breaking Nate said that his Walmart recently just got restocked, and then I've seen some other creators talk about it as well. I haven't been out to look, of course, and then the only place that still has them on their website is GameStop, and like Real Breaking Nate said before, they've upped the prices on them. They're like $23 a piece, so I'm not sure. I'm trying to get my hands on them. So hopefully, maybe my next video will be a Hidden Fates opening. But we got a Rock type energy. Shuckle, Dan, Twin Energy, Helioptile, Honedge, Litwick, Galarian Corsola, Binacle, Pokeball Reverse, and a Gyarados holographic. So at least it wasn't 3 regular rares, but a holographic I already have. Okay. 3 more packs to go. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video, even though I haven't pulled anything too crazy yet. For the front, we have a Psychic type energy, Xatu, Tranquil, Medicham, Galarian Farfetch'd, Squavit, Galarian Mr. Mime, Caterpie, Barboach, Twin Energy Reverse. Oh, there it is. We got a Milotic V full art. Wow. What a pull. Now we're back on track. It's really interesting that they went with a green background for this card. Let's get that sleeved up. Alright, I'm actually going to set that card right here. See if I can get it to stand up. Nope, not really working. Okay, I'll just set it up there. I was trying to get it on display for you guys, but wasn't really working out. We got 2 packs to go. My hands have gotten a little sweaty, so it's starting to get a little harder opening these packs. There's that code card for you. In this pack, we start with a Steel type energy, Metapod, Heliolisk, Burning Scarf, Surskit, Stuffle, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Galarian Darumaka Reverse, hey, and a nice Pinkerton V. Very nice, very nice. That is a ultra rare that I do not have yet. This 3-pack blister has been a lot better for us. So far we have a Milotic V Full Art and a Pinkerton V Ultra Rare. That's very, very nice. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we can get a 3 for 3 3-pack blister pull going. Let's see if every pack in this 3-pack blister has a nice card. Alright. We have a Water type energy, Dan Carkol, Heatmore, Applin, Galarian Darumaka, Bunnelby, Vulpix, Phantom, Stunky Reverse. Didn't happen. No worries. Like I said, that 3-pack blister was really, really nice. 2 pulls out of 3 is pretty good odds. Had a little bit of an avalanche here. There we go. So, looks like we didn't do too bad. Got a few hidden face pulls that we need. And then we got the character card from Cosmic Eclipse, which is pretty nice. So, a couple pretty good pulls. And then, of course, we got that beautiful Pikachu promo that I needed. But let me clean this up and see what cards we can add to the binder. I think we got a few reverses that I can add as well. But I will be right back. Alright guys, we are back with the binder. First off, we're going to start with the reverse pulls. We don't have any grass type. Let's reorder these real quick. I'm pretty sure I have Metatype, but we'll just... There we go. Okay, should be Water type next. Actually, I lied. It's Fire. And it was a Magmortar, which I do not have, so very nice. Oh, also, I forgot to mention this, guys. I ended up getting a few pulls in a video that I actually didn't post to the channel. I just wasn't really happy with it. I didn't like the quality and the energy of the video. It just seemed kind of lackluster, and I didn't really find it all that entertaining. But I ended up pulling this Cinderace VMAX card, which is very, very nice. And I also pulled this Rillaboom V Ultra Rare card. So yeah, those are the only 2 pulls of the video. I think there was a few reverse pulls that I might have pulled as well, but I can't remember them off the top of my head. But those are the 2 pulls that I had in that video. And again, I'm sorry I didn't post it, but I just wasn't really happy with it. But our next reverse slot cards here is going to be Palpitoad, which is right here. And then we have Galarian Darumaka, which is right up here. Let's see if I can get it without knocking over Eevee. There we are. Okay, and next I believe is our fighting type, or our rock type. So let's flip over to those. Here we are. Which Metatype, like I said, I was almost certain I had, so. Oh, and we have Galarian Sirfetch'd. So both of those are good to go. Next we have Stunky Reverse, which I do not have. Slide that on in. Sweetness. And next we have our trainers. So we have Twin Energy and Pokeball. I'm not sure which ones of those I have or not, but let's see if we can find out here. So Pokeball we have up here that we need. Perfect. And Reverse Twin Energy. Right up there. Perfect. So yeah, only a couple double ups on the reverse slot, so that's nice. And then since we're towards the back, let's put in this beautiful Melodic V card, which is number 179 of 192. So let's head back here, see if we could find it. Toxtricity is 182. So 181, 80, and this should be 179 right here. If I can get the slot open. There we go. Let's just double check that. 174, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. All right, and then the last, well, I shouldn't say the last cards, but we have our Pinkerton V that we also need to add, which should be somewhere around here. This is where the electric type Pokemon start, but Pinkerton is number 72 of 192. And Toxtricity is 69. So Pinkerton is right there in the bottom corner. Perfect. Okay, so last to add are my Sword and Shield promos here, which I'm not entirely sure if I want to put these in my Sword and Shield binder, or since these came out with the Rebel Clash, because these are all Sword and Shield era promo cards, right? So you see Sword and Shield number 20, number 28, and 29. So I haven't decided if I want to keep all the promos together and just put it in the Sword and Shield binder, or if I want to put them with their respective sets that they came out with. And so since these came out with the Sword and Shield Rebel Clash set, if I want to keep them together. But for the time being, I'm just going to set them up here. So this is 20. And then 28 and 29. I'm not entirely sure what the promos from 21 to 27 are, but I'll figure that out later. But that looks like it's going to call it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, hopefully my next video will be a Hidden Fates opening, but I hope you enjoyed this Rebel Clash opening. Again, I just want to thank you for taking your time and watching my video and my channel. I appreciate it immensely, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.